This whole thing in third grade reading level is basically saying it's going to make you more efficient in your marketing. Just to give you an idea of the power of AI, here's a few ways that it can be used. Number one, personalized marketing. AI-powered marketing tools use data analysis to personalize marketing campaigns to specific customer segments, resulting in higher engagement and conversion rates. All right? Very important. It's going to help you improve your marketing. This whole thing in third grade reading level is basically saying it's going to make you more efficient in your marketing, specifically around your messaging and your brand, so it can stay with you. Number two, content creation. Who thinks content is important in the social media game? Okay, great. Social media is absolutely dependent on your ability to produce content. You don't produce content, you can't penetrate the social media environment. As simple as that. So AI is going to help you with content creation, but even more importantly, it's going to help you with content creation inspiration. Because sometimes you have this thing called analysis paralysis. And you know you have a powerful device in your hands, and it's right here. And all you gotta do is press the button and just go live, and you just can't press that button because you don't know what the heck to talk about. And you don't know what value to give to people. And you don't know how to talk. And you don't know anything about, I don't even know, you know what, I'm gonna just put it down. So the reason why people like us win in the social media game, the reason that we've been able to create people like Dr. Eric Berg and my father, Frank Suarez, and all these guys that I've had success with is because they press record and they go live and they communicate. It's not really just magic. It's the ability to press that button and communicate. So you gotta get inspiration about what to talk about. And here's the thing. Who thinks, quick little survey point, that you have value to give to the world? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. Most businesses that succeed, let me rephrase that. All businesses that succeed really understand what their ability to help others is, clearly. That ability is what I also describe as their superpower. I talk about that in the book quite a bit, in my book, Marketing Magic. So you gotta know what to talk about. This tool helps you understand what to talk about and gives you an infinite list of things that you can communicate, and all you got to do is grab one thing at a time. All right?
We've done entire workshops just on content creation because, you know, we list out all kinds of ideas, where to go get ideas, what are people asking, well, just make a video about that or whatever. So everybody, like all you guys raised your hand, you understand content, you know, the need for content or whatever. Most of the accounts that hire us, they do understand that, like hire our agency for marketing on retainer, but they don't want to do the content or they don't know how to do it or whatever. This is going to eliminate 99% of the excuse of no content creation.
It's incredible.
Not just the idea, beyond that.
This is one of the things that keeps me up at night because of our ability that we have right now to just create. It's an obsession that I've had for a long time, which is helping people spread their message, and this makes it that much faster. Ad targeting, AI-powered ad targeting, just so you can understand who exactly your audience is. Who here thinks that they will be able to sell their products and services more if they knew exactly who their ideal audience is? Guys, there's 8 billion people on the planet. Most of those people do not care for your products and services. If you just basically advertise television style and just say, put it to everyone in your station, you're probably gonna go bankrupt. Business is gonna close down. Imagine if you're able to find the exact segment of your potential customers. 36 years old, living in a certain area, making a certain amount of income, Hispanic or Latinos or Americans making 50% more than the rest of the population in the United States. Imagine just really understanding who your audience is, who's buying your products. This tool is going to allow you to understand that. Who's buying your products and who's buying your services, all right?
And it's already actually also being implemented into like Google campaigns, Facebook campaigns. We have some campaigns right now that I'm running that are spending more than $15,000 a day on this ad targeting type of AI technology. I give it 5 videos, 5 images, I'll give it some text, some headlines, And I'll tweak a little bit of like what kind of audience I kind of want to focus on, but the rest of it, the machine does everything. And it goes out and it puts ads on YouTube, maybe on Google, maybe even on Gmail, on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Wherever it thinks like your customers are, it's intelligent and knows what you guys are searching for. Google knows everything about us, right? They know when you're getting married, when you're having a baby, like whatever, everything. They read your emails, they read your search history, they know what videos you're watching. So they really do know how to target you and when to target you and how often too. It'll start to be intelligent and it'll know, oh, okay, I have to show you an ad 4 times, maybe 7 times or whatever it is. Everybody's a little different before you actually go and you buy. So this kind of technology is amazing.